Breaking news. How Sweden ended the immigration crisis. No more Muslim in Sweden. Finally happened. Oh yeah. Dami. Shelly Mix Vlog. Yeah, you can also connect to Luxor TV Vlog. Shelly Mix has dropped that one. Connect to Luxor TV Vlog and he will return to you. Connect to him. He is a good man. You can visit his live streaming. Sheep Cook, look. I'm still watching the sheep. Sheep Kitchen. Nice. Nice looking. Good. Okay, done. That is the three videos already I'm watching. To your ship, let me go to other friend. Sige, kumain ka na. Baka kakain ka na naman ng bawal si Shari Si Luxor, pinupuntahan ko yan. Kaya lang hindi ako nagtatagal sa kanya. Kasi mahaba yung live niya. Ngayon, habang nagla-live siya, nag-live na naman yan. Araw-araw nag-live kaya yan. Nung isang araw, 2 times siyang nag-live. Kanina nag-live na naman. Dumaan lang ako sa... Yung live niya kanina, ano lang yung screencast lang ginawa niya. Nandun ako. Sa live niya. Pero ano, hindi siya nagre-return sa akin. Hindi siya dumidikit sa akin. Oh yeah, Sheep Kitchen. Okay, it's a good reminder of Shelly Mix. If you're gonna upload the short video, at the end of your short video, you have to write your channel so other people cannot get it, or I mean you will not be copyright, because maybe some other people will post the same video, the same food you are making, and you will be copyright. So if you are going to upload short video, like at the end of your short video you have to write down, like you check can you please visit my short videos, so you will gonna have idea. Do not forget to put your channel at the end, so other people won't make a copyright, otherwise you will be the one to be copyrighted. Yeah, short video, please make a short video. Please watch my shorts so you will see short video. Look at my short video, please. Thank you. That's a big help for you if you're gonna do it. Sheep Kitchen, my friend, sister. Sheep Kitchen and Kerala. Are you still around, Kerala? Mami Kin, puntahan ko po kayo. Baka Mami, hindi kayo hindi kayo si Shelly, ikaw na nga lang puntahan ko muna. Mami Kin, hindi kayo gumagawa ng, ayan, magha-highlights na ako para hindi ko makalimutan. Greetings to all my members. Where is my members? The list of my members, let me read.